Welcome to another beginner Python project. This time, we're building a fun little number guessing game. It's only 15 lines long, but it teaches you some of the most important programming concepts you'll use again and again. Let's walk through it step by step. We start by importing the random module. This gives Python the ability to generate random numbers, something you'll use in games, simulations, and even data science later on. Next, we create a variable called number and assign it a random integer between 1 and 100. That's the secret number the player has to guess. We also set attempts to 0, so we can keep track of how many guesses a player makes. Then we print a message to the screen. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. This sets up the challenge. The program then enters a while true loop. That means it will keep running until the player guesses correctly. Inside the loop, we ask the user for their guess using the input function and convert to an integer. Every time they guess, we add 1 to the attempts counter. Now comes the logic. If the guess is less than the secret number, we print too low. Try again. If it's greater, we print too high. Try again. These simple comparisons teach you how to use if, elif, and else statements, the backbone of decision-making in Python. Finally, if the guess matches the secret number, we print a congratulatory message that includes how many tries it took. Then we use break to exit the loop and end the game. That's it. A complete interactive program that responds to user input, uses loops, conditions, variables, and even randomness. In just 15 lines, you build a working game that feels alive. It reacts, gives feedback, and challenges the player. This project helps you understand how programs flow, how loops work, and how to make your code interactive. Try changing the range, adding difficulty levels, or letting the player choose how many attempts they get. Each tweak teaches you something new. You've just created your first Python game, and that's a big step forward. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and remember, every line of code you write brings you closer to mastering Python. I'm excited to share something brand new. My latest book, Python Beginner Tips and Tricks, now available at pythonskillbooks.com. This book was created for absolute beginners who want to learn Python the right way, through clear examples, short lessons, and practical projects you can finish in minutes. Inside, you'll find dozens of quick wins that build your confidence step by step. Each chapter focuses on one concept, from variables and loops to functions and formatting, explained in plain English with real code you can run immediately. Whether you're learning Python for school, work, or your next big idea, this book gives you the foundation you need to start coding with confidence. I wrote it to help you skip the confusion and get straight to results. You'll learn how to write cleaner code, avoid common beginner mistakes, and understand how Python really thinks. Plus, you'll get bonus sections on automation, debugging, and project ideas to keep your momentum going. If you ever want to learn Python but didn't know where to start, this is your moment. Visit pythonskillbooks.com to grab your copy today and join thousands of new learners building their skills one line of code at a time. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start your journey now and let Python open the door to endless possibilities. Like and subscribe to keep the videos coming.